Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to record a Zoom meeting in 2026. I'll cover how to start a recording as the host, how participants can record if they have permission, and where to find the saved file after the meeting ends. So if you want the quickest way to record your Zoom calls without missing anything, let's jump in. Before you begin, there's one thing to know. Zoom recording usually depends on your role in the meeting. If you're the host, you can normally record right away. If you're a participant, you may need the host to give you recording permission first. Also, depending on your Zoom plan and settings, you might see the option to save the recording locally on your computer or record it to the Zoom cloud. First, open Zoom and start a new meeting, or join the meeting you want to record. Once you're inside the meeting room, look at the toolbar along the bottom of the Zoom window. That's where the recording controls will appear. Now click the record button in the bottom toolbar. On some accounts, Zoom will ask whether you want to record on this computer or to the cloud. If you only need the file saved directly to your device, choose Record on this computer. If your account supports cloud recording and you want Zoom to store it online, choose Record to the cloud instead. Once recording starts, Zoom will show a small recording indicator on the screen, usually near the top of the meeting window. You'll also get controls to pause or stop the recording whenever you need. So if you want to skip a private moment or take a quick break, you can pause the recording instead of ending it completely. If you're in the meeting as a participant and you don't see the record button, that usually means the host hasn't given you recording access yet. In that case, ask the host to allow recording for your account. The host can open the participant list, find your name, click the options menu next to it, and enable Allow Record. When you're done, click Stop Recording from the meeting controls. You can also simply end the meeting, and Zoom will stop the recording automatically. After that, Zoom will usually begin converting the recording file, so give it a moment to process before closing anything. If you recorded locally, Zoom will normally save the file in your Zoom Recordings folder on your computer and may open that folder automatically after conversion finishes. If you recorded to the cloud, sign in to your Zoom account on the Zoom website, open the recording section, and you'll find your saved meeting there. And that's how to record a Zoom meeting in 2026. Pretty simple once you know where the recording controls are and whether your account is using local or cloud recording. If you want, I can also help with a full guide on how to record Zoom meetings on phone, how to enable cloud recording, or how to fix the record button missing in Zoom.